What if I told you that the machine you trust to clean your dishes is actually coating them with bacteria, mold, and rotten food particles every single cycle? What if your dishwasher is dirtier than your toilet and you've never cleaned it once? I looked inside mine after 2 years of daily use, and what I found was so disgusting that I almost stopped using it altogether. Stay with me, because what you're about to discover will make you want to clean your dishwasher immediately. The appliance we never question. Think about your dishwasher for a moment. You load dirty dishes, add detergent, press start, and trust that it's cleaning everything perfectly. But here's the question nobody asks. Who cleans the cleaner? Your dishwasher is constantly exposed to food particles, grease, hard water minerals, soap scum, and moisture. It's a warm, wet environment where bacteria and mold thrive. Yet most people never clean their dishwasher. Not once, not ever. Step 1. The filter deep clean. The filter is where most of the horror lives. It's designed to catch food particles so they don't recirculate onto your dishes. But when it's clogged, water can't drain properly, and food particles do recirculate. Most people don't even know their dishwasher has a removable filter. It's usually at the bottom of the dishwasher, under the lower spray arm. Remove it. I guarantee you'll be disgusted. Step 2. The spray arm unclogging. The spray arms have small holes that shoot water to clean your dishes. These holes get clogged with hard water deposits and food particles. Remove the spray arms. They usually twist off easily. Use a toothpick or small wire to clean out each hole. Run them under water to flush debris. I found several holes completely blocked on mine. No wonder my dishes weren't getting clean. Water couldn't reach them properly. Step 3. The vinegar deep clean. Place a dishwasher-safe bowl filled with 2 cups of white vinegar on the top rack. Run the hottest, longest cycle with the dishwasher empty. The vinegar steam breaks down grease, dissolves hard water deposits, and kills bacteria. When the cycle finished, I opened my dishwasher, and the difference was visible. The interior looked brighter, the smell was gone, but I wasn't done yet. Step 4. The baking soda freshening. Sprinkle 1 cup of baking soda across the bottom of the dishwasher. Run a short, hot cycle. This removes any remaining odors and gives a final deep clean. The combination of vinegar and baking soda, done in separate cycles, tackles everything: grease, hard water, bacteria, mold, and odors. All gone. Step 5. The rubber seal scrub. The rubber door seal is where mold loves to grow. Use an old toothbrush dipped in vinegar to scrub around the entire seal, getting into all the folds. I found black mold I hadn't even noticed before. This area needs regular attention because it's always damp and rarely gets direct water flow during cycles. The shocking transformation. After this complete deep clean, I ran a normal load of dishes. The difference was stunning. The dishes came out actually clean, sparkling, smelling fresh. No weird residue, no musty smell, just perfectly clean dishes. And the dishwasher itself looked and smelled like it was brand new. I'd spent maybe 30 minutes total on this cleaning process, and I'd transformed an appliance that was essentially coating my dishes with bacteria into something that actually cleaned them properly. The maintenance schedule. Now I follow a simple routine. Filter cleaning, monthly. Vinegar cycle, monthly. Baking soda cycle, monthly, right after vinegar. Spray arm check, every 3 months. Rubber seal scrub, weekly quick wipe. This maintenance takes minimal time, but ensures my dishwasher actually does its job instead of just pretending to while spreading filth. There you have it. How to clean your dishwasher the right way. Filter deep clean, spray arm unclogging, vinegar cycle, baking soda cycle, and rubber seal scrubbing. If this made you realize you need to clean your dishwasher right now, hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more appliance maintenance truths. Share this with everyone who owns a dishwasher. Comment when you last cleaned yours. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, stay informed, maintain what cleans for you, and enjoy actually clean dishes.